What was the thought process you had starting your podcast with the anxiety that you have? And how also did you deal with that anxiety whenever you were walking on stage?
The anxiety is a strange one. I feel like anxiety stems from uncertainty. Whether you're unsure of yourself, whether you're unsure of the thing you're doing, whether you're unsure of the way you speak to people or the way you look or whatever uncertainty you have in your life, I feel like a lot of people have anxiety, especially mine, stems from that uncertainty. So when it came to stepping on stage, the only way I knew how to quell that noise was to be over-prepared. And sometimes I went the wrong way. Like sometimes I would do too much cardio or cut too many calories. It would actually hurt my look, but it's because I was trying to quiet the anxiety. So I'm like, if I over-prepare, if I'm overly ready, if I'm extra shredded, then that anxiety will quiet itself down. I just said it today on the podcast I was doing with the guys. I can only think of 2 shows I did where I peaked like 100%. And those 2 shows, I specifically remember my anxiety being very quiet. If you fast forward to the podcast, I feel prepared to do the podcast because I've done everything in bodybuilding you can do, from media to competition to promotion to magazine. Other than judging, I've done everything you can do in bodybuilding. So when it comes to the podcast, I feel like I can talk to anybody about bodybuilding in any given subject. So there's a confidence that comes with it that quiets the anxiety a little bit.